excited to release our very first DIY kit for painting for kids, which is Mario and Luigi. I'm much more excited today because I'm with my best friend. This is Avery. Hello. And she's gonna be painting Mario. I'm gonna be painting Luigi. We're gonna be reviewing, tell you what it contains, and we're going to paint it and then of course do the outro. So, ready? Ready. Okay, let's go. First, we're going to be looking at what is inside of it, but of course we're gonna unbox it so we can see that there are little characters, there's some paints, there's gonna be a paintbrush. There's no little cup with water though, so you're gonna have to get that yourself, sorry. So why don't you go ahead and open it? Okay. Yep. Okay, so we got the paint. Okay, alright, cool. Later on, we're going to actually be printing out a little picture on it, and it's gonna be this. We're gonna print it out on the box so you can see all the colors and the colors that you need for them. So why don't you go ahead and review these colors and I'll review. Okay, first off we have a nice red for Mario. We also have a blue for their overalls and maybe their eyes, but I'm really not sure. Anyway, we got brown for their shoes and their hair and their mustaches and their eyebrows. And we also got some white-ish
for the gloves and the eyes and stuff, I guess.
Yeah, the gloves.
Well, I think that's skin color.
Yeah,
that's skin color.
Okay, it's skin color. This is for the skin.
This is the one that comes for Luigi. We're actually going to be using some of these for Luigi too. We have a little green. It's really light green. It kind of looks like Yoshi. And then we have a little darker kind of blue for his overalls because his overalls is a different color than Mario's. So then of course we have a paintbrush because you need a paintbrush to paint. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, here's your paintbrush.
Thank you. Okay.
So this is the Luigi that I painted. It doesn't look perfect, but the thing is that I have fun making it, and yeah.
This is my Mario. It may look a little creepy, and if you think it's creepy, I don't blame you because to me it does look a little creepy, but I had fun. And the thing that made it most fun is that I get to do it with my best friends.
Yay! Thank you for watching our very first review. So, what did you think about this project? Did you have fun?
I had an awesome time. By the way, just so you guys know, I might not be in the next video, but then again, I might, but I really don't know. So.
Okay, so if you guys liked the video, because of course you liked the video, please subscribe and leave a like. And if you want, you can leave some
you can leave some suggestions down in the comments of what we should make next. Like, we can make possibly anything, like Pokemon. We can make more Mario stuff. We can make, I don't know, a lot of things. Also, if you would like to get these project kits that you can make, just go down to the description where my dad will leave the link there. See you guys in the next video. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye!